Hello, Year 10. This is Mr. Perez. Today we'll be going over your first assessment task for Year 10 Commerce. I'll point your direction to today's date. We are giving it out in week 6, all right, and our due date for our in-class component will be in week 8, but we will have an informal assessment on week 7. We will be having a debate. So I'll point your direction to the bottom of the document. Due dates, take a moment right now to highlight which one is your class so you know which date will be your assessment task. So let's go through this task together. So first and foremost, it's worth 20% of your assessment total. And here we go. Our task 1 is on our first component that we've been studying this topic in law. So in this assessment, you will explore the role and purpose of law in society by participating in examining a variety of court cases, laws, and the Online Safety Amendment Social Media Minimum Age Bill 2024. So it'll be a mixture of these things that we've been studying, and we'll go over those dot points a little bit later on in our description here. So this task consists of 2 parts. Part A will be a debate on the bill, the Social Media Minimum Age Bill. This will take place next week in week 7. But please note, this part is not being formally assessed. However, it will form a crucial part of your understanding of the topic and assist you for your preparation in Part B. Part B is going to be an in-class short answer response set of questions that you will answer. It will be worth 20 marks. Let's continue to go over the way it will look. So our debate in week 7. So in week 6 this week, you'll be assigned a debating team. And you're going to be given some time to research and prepare with the bill that we will be debating. In week 7, during our first lesson of the week, we will begin our debates. The goal is to have all students present arguments and hopefully we can get some good rebuttals happening. Debates may continue into the second lesson into week 7 if needed. If you're absent, you'll be given a summary of the debate arguments and the main points that were given during your class debates. You may bring notes to support your arguments during the debate when you do your planning with your team. Hopefully during the debate as well, you'll be taking some notes that will help you to study later on for your in-class short answer assessment. In week 8, you'll have your in-class assessment. The in-class assessment, like I said, are short answer responses, and like we said, your dates will be below. This task will assess your ability to understand, critically think, and communicate the role of law in society. So a little bit on the debate. So for Part A, you're required to participate in a class debate in your class in week 7. In class, we'll go over the basics of debating. After this, you'll be watching a video on the basics of debating. And then we'll just have to have fun with it and learn as we go. You'll be split up into teams and you'll need to participate at least once with statements that present an argument. I understand some of us may be shy to speak, but we will have moments to write and help each other out. We are all in the same boat here, people. After everyone presents their arguments, there will be a chance for a rebuttal session and see if we can get some good back and forth going between the 2 sides of the debate. Some possible statements that may arise in the debate in regards to the social media minimum age bill. All right, the government should have the power to enforce minimum age for social media use. Social media platforms should be responsible for verifying user ages, not the government. Excluding messaging apps and YouTube from the age restriction makes the law ineffective. Parents, not the government, should decide when their children can use social media. Banning young people from social media will do more harm than good. The bill is unnecessary restriction on young people's rights, and freedoms of expression. So these are possibly some statements that may arise in the debate. Your job is to go and prepare yourself and understand the bill and understand points for and against, because in the debate, you will not know whether you are for or against the statement until the day of. So you need to be able to prepare yourself on both ways. So through our class debates, you'll be able to take notes on the statements of your classmates to possibly use later on in Part B. So this is a great time to critically think and great discussion about the reasoning for laws so that you can present the best arguments with evidence forward in your short answer responses. Which moves us to our short answer response questions in Part B. All right, so you'll be asked a set of short answer questions that follow the following syllabus dot points. Investigate the nature of laws and the reasons for laws in society in relation to values, morals, and ethics. Describe the role and responsibility of the three levels of government, including the division of powers. Explain how laws are made, including common and statute law. Outline types of law, including public and private, criminal and civil, domestic and international laws. You'll be asked one question one set of questions regarding the Online Safety Amendment, the Social Media Minimum Age Bill 2024. You must be prepared by studying notes you take during the debate, as well as class notes and coursework completed in the lead up to the assessment. We'll be looking at two outcomes here. COM 5-3, examining the role of law, and COM 5-8, explaining information using a variety of forms. Like I said, our due dates are here listed for us. Make sure you highlight them and you are well prepared. This is an excellent opportunity for you to use your critical thinking skills, apply your knowledge in a debate, as well as present your findings and understandings in the short answer assessment in week 8. Good luck, everybody. I hope you guys have fun with this one, with the debate, and able to then apply it into your responses written on that week 8. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to your teacher sooner rather than later. Again, the more we participate and engage in this assessment, the more engaging and learning will be fun for us in this term. Thanks, everybody. Again, if you need help, come seek help sooner rather than later, and make sure we're prepared. Looking forward to all those great debates that we're going to have. Have a fantastic day, everybody, and I'll see you soon.